call God Oniduro is not right.
Are you supporting Tokpe Alabi, sir?
And most of it, what he said is right. Because when you look at it, he said, after...
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. And my people, we still did the matter of Oniduro mi Esheunwo. So now the matter now we still did on my people. When I remember say, Tokpe Alabi come outside one certain time, come talk about this song where this Nneka, one of our junior colleagues, sing. She said the song no enter house. So this great man of God, this popular man of God, the man of social media, he always they come outside when people they go astray, when people know they talk the right way, they know they worship God, in they know the good pastor and the fake pastor. So he can talk and now say that song they should not condemn Tokpe Alabi at all, because the song no your wole at all. It not enter house, it not do anything. He said the song no, you not get meaning. You understand? He said why person will say Oniduro mi Esheunwo. You understand? It's after God the Father, it's not God the Son. You understand why you come to say God Oniduro mi Esheunwo? He said God not accept the song. Wahala dey, my people. This matter, I be think say e don come up for social media for the past 1 month now. He don't newly come back again. Hey, after if this pastor never talk for this matter, hey, the one wey rest people they talk na fa okay, or the rest na chinko or na chinese. Okay, my people, una welcome back again. Now una sister AB World Entertainment. One quickly analyze this matter where they trend for social media about Tokpe Alabi and Nneka. Hey, about the song where it trend for inside June, where heavy fight be one for social media. Now the very pastor be this one NKO. So I not pronounce the full name finish. Okay, now our beautiful sister Nneka now be this one where you sing the Oniduro mi Esheunwo. Okay, so many people come as I can say waiting. Tokpe Alabi they do it not good. Why they not they let the young make them grow? Why you wait don't already there on top? You can't the fight person where it they below. You understand? Why you will condemn person work? Now song and you don't call the lady privately. May you talk to her. You can't this guan her work for outside. Can say it not good. My people, many people talk. I even talk about the matter that time. But for me, my own opinion be say God used Tokpe Alabi. Don't tell where I want to do this video, but I don't get chance because different news too much for social media for you to even eat bath self. Now problem, my people, to go market or go party. Now heavy gbedu. Hey, our baba where they call late what did they call him? Fela, let Baba Fela, sorry, say I say what did they call him? Let Baba Fela talk and say heavy wahala for the body. The body get the accident, another accident again. Okay, my people, let's go there. Me, I feel get time for my say I will come as I come to talk about this matter again. Say Tokpe Alabi, God use them. God they use person in different way. Would I not say this Oniduro ni Esheunwo don't take away the waka for social media. It don't take away this song they there. It not popular. Not be matter of that song alone. The lady not popular. You understand? God work in a mysterious way. So now no say this song not popular ever since then. And this lady where they call Nneka, she not popular in the sense say people not to know her music like that. You understand? God work in a mysterious way. Now God decided to use somebody to take popular this our beautiful sister. But we no go know. We go feel say maybe now the downfall. Bible talk and say the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Una remember, if not Tokpe Alabi, nobody for no Oniduro mi Esheunwo. The song just sleep there. The enemy cover the face, the oju of that song, and the person will sing and the person not feel lift up. You understand? I God use Tokpe Alabi. Tokpe Alabi not supposed to apologize to this very lady. My own opinion, AB World Entertainment. Now this lady supposed to thank and say, you do well, yeah, me for bringing me popular. You understand? Why I talk and make una ask me? Because if Tokpe not condemn this woman, nobody for know this woman. That song not done the popular. The lady done the popular. I did one Yoruba platform that day when they talk say, make this woman they go send her visa. Make she take come Ogbodo Ibo, come sing for the 75 years old Munda birthday. Imagine if to say Tokpe Alabi not come and come condemn that song. Person for carry for that UK say may Nneka come UK. Make una look at my people. Now you can supposed to thank Tokpe Alabi. No be say Tokpe Alabi will come go tell and say, I'm sorry for criticizing you. No, mama. Tokpe was supposed to apologize. God used Tokpe, make una reason now with me. Now so God tell they do person you understand. Remember the case of one small pikin where in the sick, papa go sit down for main road, say he go delete today if there nobody assist the pikin. But at the end of the story, my people, how the matter contain go. Now God can still help. The papa get like 17 million under how many days? But as they prepare to go to India, before they reach Lagos, the pikin give up. What it can happen? Papa can become billionaire. The pikin just come give papa wet. You understand? Many people like that. So different case where he hide, cobweb cover am. You no go know. Nah, Tokpe Alabi.
It's an advocate.
How many quotations do they have for that? You know, when a drunkard is being molested in the pages of the newspaper, he will go to the Bible and look for it, go to the computer and look for a verse in the Bible. You cannot call God Oniduro. It's not right.
Are you supporting Tokpe Alabi, sir?
And most of it, what he said is right. Because when you look at it, he said, after God is Jesus Christ. After Jesus Christ is the angel. After the angel is the prophet. Then there's not any Oniduro there for Jesus, cannot be Oniduro for you. In Revelation 4, 5, and 6, he said, the Father and the Son are now resting. And the angels are now saying, holy, holy to them, for the work well done. Then in Genesis 1, he said, after finishing the job 1 to 8, he said, the body is resting. Then he said, in the book of Exodus 23 verse 20, he said, I will send an angel to take care of you. Then when you look at the book of Psalm 11 from 10 to 15, he said, from embryo I've detailed an angel to what? To monitor you. How can Jesus come to something so small like that? Even when he came back the other time, he said, don't touch me. Go and assemble yourself. How can Jesus be Oniduro? What are they quoting? Even those that wrote the New Testament are just apostles like me. I've wrote a lot of books now. That's my book. What I wrote that day will now become what the Lord sent me. So my sister, there are many of their songs that are wrong. When you look at the Kowo Bimo Sheri, Kowo Bimo Sheri, Nile Ashewo, he said he never care about what you are doing, is still protecting you. No, they have forgotten what in the book of Proverbs 3 verse 14 to 16. He said, length of days you have signed for so year. So when the time is up, I will take you off. So whatever you want to do with your life, you can go and do it. Do you think God will arrest you if you wanted to join occultic tomorrow? No. If you say you want to go and use your son for ritual, you won't say anything. When you look at the book of Genesis 22 from verse 10, the boy was asking the father, said, Daddy, where's the ram for the sacrifice? Then when you look at this man again in the book of Genesis 42 from verse 18, Genesis 39 from verse 10 to 18, Genesis 37, 16, then Genesis 43 from verse 10, then Genesis 45, 1 to 8, Genesis 47, verse 1 to 8. Then he said, I'm God-fearing man. A God-fearing man. So nobody's going there to intercede for us. He said, I'm standing at the door. Where do they get that one? It's not Oniduro for anybody.
Are you saying that Jesus...
Your life is in your hand. Nobody's drawing for you.
And are you saying that you cannot...
Ezra, nobody's drawing for you. Remove Tokpe or no Tokpe out of it. It's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. When you go and borrow money and they want it from the bank and you are not ready to pay, they won't bother about who you're sorting now, and then they will come and sell the house. Then if you buy a car hire purchase and you are not redeeming the image, you're a plague, they will come down and take the car off. Who is drawing for you? Somebody draw for you, go and fornicate. Somebody draw for you. You want to look at Galatians 5 from verse 17, 18. Don't that passage, go and read it. Then when you look at James 3, James 4, James 5, in James 5 from verse 14, 15, 16, he said Elijah is a man like us. Then when you look at the book of 1 King 18 and 1 King 19, then when you look at that 1 King 19 and 20, he said, I don't want to eat. Then when you look at the book of 1 King 13 and 14, and when you look at the death of the wife of Ammon, then when you look at what happened again in the book of 2 Samuel 6, when they are removing the out of the covenant back to the house of Obed-Edom, so nobody can intercede for you. He said your life is in your hand. Only if you have more in here. And when you look at the book of Deuteronomy 30 from verse, you read it from verse 20. He said, I know after me you are going to do all this. Then he said, I'm putting it before you now, pick death or life. And it's there. So forget about all this one. These are what they think. They want to sell the newspaper. So don't worry.
Sir, before,
That'll go, sir.
on the last note, sir, just
Now talk about when I make this girl walk, come outside. You don't tell where this girl sing this song or this lady sing this song, but you know popular. You know go viral as our brother used to talk. You know go viral or even viral. You understand? Time to talk about Alabi. God bring person from nowhere to come and assist you. You not feel popular just like that. Something must lift you up. You understand? So many people when they talk, say Tope Alabi did wrong. No, Tope Alabi not supposed to apologize to this lady after he looked the way God tell lift this woman up. The woman supposed to go and tell Tope Alabi say, "Mommy, a shame for making me popular. If not for Tope Alabi, who be Nyeka?" My people, make una reason this matter with me. Make una come comment section. Make we talk about this matter. Say whether Tope Alabi wetin she do e good. Tope Alabi no even know wetin she do. God use her. My people, make una open una eyes. Make una listen. Carry una pork una orobokibo Coca-Cola or Pepsi. Make una sit down. Make una think am. Tope Alabi no even know wetin she talk. She dey just like pastor. Once they did that people. They talk wetin Baba God they tell them. You understand? And they see they talk wetin their own God for inside how they tell them. Depends on the pastor if na real or fake. Okay, my people. I can't play. Once they don't come on for that people, that spirit don't come on for their body. Before you know, they'll come be like human being like us. Tope Alabi was just singing, but she did not know how the matter to enter her mouth. You understand? Because this pastor MKO just to come outside, come talk and say Tope the song no wole, so they're not supposed to condemn Tope Alabi. In wole no wole, but the girl don't popular. Any song where she drop now, nah boy. Make una see the reason with me, my people. You understand? I bet me una help me share this video. May go reach this our sister where they call Nyeka. She need to go and apologize, thank this sister Nyeka. May she go thank sister Tope Alabi to say, "Mama, you do well." You understand? If not for you, where God use, may she pay homage. Nyeka need to pay homage to Tope Alabi for bringing her out. I bet me una think, me una sit down well. Make una drink milk. Make una brain for come down. Make una listen to this very talk when I dey talk. So say this very thing. No eat to just drink milk. That cold chilled milk. Drink am, relax. You will know say God used Tope Alabi, and Tope Alabi not even know. She was in trance. She was far. The thing just jump out of her mouth. But you people will feel maybe now just say she want just condemn human being. For me, no, because I want to thank sister Tope Alabi and be Mama Tope Alabi say a shame for bringing this lady out. For God to use you to bring this lady out, God will bless you more and more. It's only the intelligent and the wise people that we know that God used Tope Alabi to do some kind work for this lady. Because Tope Alabi don't work her, you understand? Me, I even the verse for the video, say why Tope Alabi go come and second want destroy the young ones, you understand? Because she don't do it top. But when I can't realize, I can't sit down, I can't say, look, wow, shit. Nah, Tope Alabi God use her. God know you're the contact for heaven in the same person to person. You understand? I got a sent Tope Alabi. So Sister Nyeka, I'm not sending you to go and say thank you, Iyami. You understand? Go and say thank you to her. So as you do so, God bless you. If you are just coming for the first time or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, after listening to this video, kindly watch and subscribe on your notification bell so that anytime this kind of game music video come outside, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. To my new subscriber, you are welcome, and to my returning, God bless you. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Mi ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ bó jẹ́nìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti máa sọ̀rọ̀ bó jẹ́nìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti sá lọ bó jẹ́nìyàn ló dúró ni wọ́n á ti máa ṣèrègùn onídúró mi ẹ ṣeun o.
Okay, my people.